Hi, I'm Candy Frederick with Country Real Estate. Most homeowners spend a lot of time getting their home ready to show a buyer, but what can you do to prepare for the appraisal? Spending just a few minutes ahead of time can help ensure the appraiser has the information they need to fully understand your property. In a shifting market, we know every dollar counts. Here are 4 simple things I recommend to sellers before appraisal day. An appraiser's job is to provide an independent opinion of your home's value, but they only get one visit to your property. They don't know when you replaced the roof, remodeled the kitchen, or upgraded the HVAC unless someone tells them. They also may not know about features that aren't obvious during a walkthrough or accurately reflected in the public records. You're not trying to influence the appraisal. You're simply helping make sure the appraiser has complete and accurate information. Here are 4 simple ways to prepare. Number 1, make a list of your improvements. One of the best things you can do before an appraisal is put together a simple list of the improvements you've made over the years. Think about things like a new roof, HVAC system, kitchen or bathroom remodels, flooring, windows, solar, well or septic improvements, electrical or plumbing upgrades, or other major projects. If you remember when the work was done and what you invested, include that too. It doesn't need to be fancy. A simple 1-page list is perfect. The goal isn't to influence the appraiser's opinion. It's to help them understand the scope of the improvements you've made so those updates can be appropriately considered in the final value. Number 2, share it with your realtor. Once you've put that list together, give it to your realtor. They are usually the main point of contact with the appraiser and can make sure that information gets to them. They can communicate the upgrades by email or simply leaving a copy on the kitchen counter during the appraisal. It's a simple step that helps make sure important improvements are not overlooked. Number 3, help your realtor tell the complete story. Your realtor can only communicate what they know, so take a few minutes to point out anything that makes your property stand out. That could be usable or plantable acreage, income from a vineyard or a rental unit on the property, permitted additions that are not reflected in the public records, or reports like soils reports, surveys, well reports, or approved plans that add future potential. If your property has exceptional views, water resources, privacy, or other features that are not obvious during a quick visit, make sure your realtor knows that too. Your realtor can also provide the comparable sales used to establish your listing price and explain why they were selected. The appraiser will make their own independent determination of value, but complete information helps them better understand your property. Number 4, take care of health and safety items. Before appraisal day, be sure to address items that are likely to be called out by the appraiser and could delay the loan process. Things like exposed wiring, broken windows, missing smoke or carbon monoxide detectors, missing handrails on staircases, or other obvious safety concerns. It's also a good idea to make sure the appraiser has easy access to every room and any garages or outbuildings that they'll need to inspect. A little preparation can help avoid unnecessary delays and keep the focus on the home itself. Preparing for an appraisal isn't about trying to influence the outcome. It's simply about making sure the appraiser has the information they need to fully understand your property. A little preparation and good communication between you, your realtor, and the appraiser can go a long way. If you're thinking about selling or have an appraisal coming up, I'd be happy to help you prepare so your home is presented in the best possible light. Thanks for listening.